Good morning, adventure. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're back again at Kuya's Inasal. This is what do you call this? Authentic Bacolodin what do you call this? Inasal. So this is the chicken that they're doing, and you see it. Let me just. And there you go. We're doing the barbecue over here. So in Kuya's, they also have a chicharon. So that's a chicharon. And we even have also the suka imas. But you could buy it here. Right, Chef?
Ang ginagawa ko, 5 ito.
And there you go. People is ordering right now. Chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and try it later.
This is for you.
It's,
Thank you.
and this is the owner of the Kuya's Mang Inasal over
This is
here.
a 10 pieces chicken.
There you go. Could you tell me about your Inasal? The chicken Inasal?
Well, we formulated it with our secret weapon here. With my wife, she formulated it. And then we started December, then now here.
There you go.
Slowly but surely with the Kuya Ito.
So yeah, they're located at Folsom Flea Market.
Yes.
They're every Saturday and Sunday they're open. So if you guys also need some catering, I'll put their phone number in description later on so that you guys could order. So once again, this is Kuya's Inasal Express. Okay.
Also have drinks, sir, if you want.
Thank you. So later on, I'm gonna try their chicken too. Order ako, boss.
Sila, ano?
Yung chicken plate.
Chicken feet?
Hindi yung yung kahapon yung breast.
Leg or
Breast or quarter leg?
quarter leg?
Quarter legs, man.
Quarter leg.
Okay, so let's try their chicken.
Parang yung pabdag.
See, this is big. Kinain mo yung ano?
Yeah. So we have some customers coming in.
Ito, Kings and 49ers. One thing yan, one thing.
Hey, Kuyang! Naku, nandito na yung mga kuya.
Siyempre, paano tayong
Ito yung suka.
tingnan mo pati siya naglakad ng malayo.
So here we go. I
Salamat
have a chicken over here. I'm gonna try it first.
Hello po.
How good it is.
Hello po. Sir po.
Yung white ko po.
Tastes so good. Really good.
$2 po. Yung ano, amuna, gitya.
Mm.
Amuna, gitya.
Guys, telling you, it's really good. So,
It's really good. Huh?
yep, we're right here, Folsom. Go for it.
Sana lang mabuhay ka.
Alright, so you guys again. Nice job. Bye.